Today I'm unboxing something small but powerful, a 395 nanometer UV flashlight. It just arrived, and right out of the package, it feels compact, lightweight, and perfect to carry around for everyday use. This particular model comes with a USB charging port, which makes it super convenient. No need to constantly replace batteries, you can just plug it in and recharge. The build is solid, made of aluminum alloy, so it's durable enough to withstand everyday use, whether indoors or outdoors. At first glance, it looks like a regular pocket torch, but don't be fooled. UV flashlights have a lot of interesting uses. Now, let's see how it actually performs. This flashlight works at 395 nanometers, which is within the UVA range. That wavelength is not visible to the human eye on its own, but it excites certain materials and makes them glow, a process called fluorescence. So what can you do with it? In the garden, you can use it to detect pet urine, animal trails, or even scorpions if you live in the right climate. It's also a great tool for checking security features on money, passports, or official documents. Most modern currencies have UV-sensitive inks that light up under this kind of beam. Another common use is for hobbies and DIY. If you're into rock collecting, UV flashlights reveal hidden patterns in minerals that you wouldn't normally see. They're also used in resin curing, detecting leaks in cars when you add fluorescent dye, and even making certain art projects glow. In my backyard test, you'll notice how everyday objects react differently under UV light. Some surfaces glow brightly, others remain completely dark. And that's exactly what makes this flashlight so fun to experiment with. It's not about just shining a light, it's about revealing what's normally invisible to the naked eye. Overall, this 395 nanometer UV flashlight is small, affordable, and surprisingly versatile. Whether you want it for household tasks, outdoor exploration, or just to satisfy curiosity, it's a handy tool to keep around. And since it charges over USB, you don't have to worry about running out of batteries at the wrong moment. I'll leave the link down below if you want to check it out yourself. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more unboxings and practical tests. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.